Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I wanted to do something a little bit different. I worked all week. I went to the Springs yesterday. My skin is sunburned. I had a lot of fun. I wanted to go today, but I couldn't. But it's okay, the weather's not really that great today anyways. This week I just wanted to give my skin a break. I still haven't showered. I never got in public without showering, but I did. So I went to Walmart and I got something. I picked up these. They are the Wall Basic Series Pet Clippers. Bought them for about $27. And with that being said, today we're gonna bathe my dog Cooper. Oh, Cooper! Oh, you're a mess. He never goes to the groomer. I usually cut his hair with scissors, but I'm tired of doing that. He looks so bad right now. I swear I take care of him and I love him. But today we're going to make it all better. We're going to cut his hair off and bathe him and everything. But the only thing I'm doing on camera is cutting his hair, obviously. This is Cooper. He came into my life about 5 or 6 years ago. Your bone's protruding a little bit. You feel hungry. Are you hungry? He has been my rock. And him knows when I'm stressed and when I'm happy and when I'm sad. Him knows when I'm mad. All right, let's open this. I don't want to mess up anything. You never know if I have to return it. Lord. Okay, well, you know what? We're just gonna cut that. Ta-da! It comes in this great little black carrying case and it says, Wall! Wow. Okay. So we have a comb. We have the guards. They are color coded, I reckon. We have the brush and the oil to clean the clippers. Oh, you ready? My mic's going to cancel this noise. We have an instruction book. Oil blades before using. I guess you line these up somehow. Yeah, I should read it. Let's oil it though. Cute. You just put it on there. Okay. All right. Oh. 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 What? What? Are you kidding me? What? No. 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 There's no way. There's no way this is the directions. There's no way. Oh my gosh, this is all English and it's the whole page! Oh, I don't do well with directions, you guys. Should we just go for it? I just need to know how to do the... We're gonna keep this lever down. Oh my God. Are they lined up? I don't know. I don't know how to do these. Let's just do it. We're just gonna do it. I need to stop cussing so much. I forget that kids watch my channel. Okay, that comb, psh, that's a joke. This is Wiggles. Wiggy! Ugh, okay, bye. Come on, Cooper. Are you ready, Cooper? Cooper, I hope you're ready. Stay. It works. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I just don't know. I've never done this before. You ready, Cooper? Oh, I'm scared. Oh no. Hush, Tiger. Tiger. Come here. Okay. Oh my goodness. I don't know about this, guys. Do I go with the grain or against it? I don't know what to do. It's so thick. Oh my gosh. It's coming off, but it's a slow process. We've already got a good little bit of hair. Should I try a bigger guard? But they all say with the grain. Girl, the with the grain don't get nothing done. I see short fur. Huh. There's gotta be a secret to this. Okay. I can't believe I'm filming this. Okay. I think I'm gonna pause the video. I'll be back. Maybe this will work. Oh my God, did that hurt? Oh God. We're comfortable now. Can you guys tell me how to do this? Because I'm not doing it right. Oh my gosh, where's my thing at? Just a little brush. There we go, yay! Being so good, Cooper. With a brand new doggy. Thick, thick hair. Goodness. I gotta show the camera. Oof, there's hair everywhere. Oh, you're gonna feel so much better, Cooper. Uh-oh, I'm gonna cut your hair off on your head. Maybe we should cut your head off. I'll take a bigger guard on your head. Goodness. Alright. Ooh, okay, we are flipped and tidied up. Let's do some more. There's hair everywhere. What? Cooper. Quit, I know your ear is itching. I know, we're gonna clean it.
You're my girl, I'm gonna tell it to the whole wide world. Saying nobody wants to be alone. Just by the words of the song, say
Oh no! Oh, your hair on top's messed up. Oh no! Oh. Oh my God. Okay, guys. It's time to take a break. Oh! Okay, we're back. This time we're not mic'd. The mic is right here. I got this much done. Now I gotta do this part. And the legs. Oh God, and do something with this. I think I'm doing good so far. There's a big pile of fur on the floor that I hope the puppy doesn't get into. Go for the legs, I think. Why are you panting? Look at that butt hair coming off. Cooper, look at that butt hair coming off. Yes, look at that butt hair. Ooh. Do a split on the... Oh, now you stretch out. You have one big massive dingle. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. I'm disgusted with you right now. Okay, this video just needs to end right now. Okay, we're all done. We're showered, we're bathed. Are you ready for the big reveal? Everybody give a round of applause for Cooper 2.0! Yay! Cooper! Yay! Cooper, yay! No more hair! Yay! He is hairless. You need to brush your tail out. Oh, goodness, it was terrible. We should have cut your tail hair off too, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed this today. It's probably very freaking boring, but oh well, now Cooper's going to feel better for the summertime. Yeah, he's gonna feel better. Say bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.